Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is video tour of Yelahanka Comforts, a brand new premium apartment complex available for sale. OC, CC, A Khata and RERA approved. Occupancy certificate is there. It's a direct builder listing. Below in the description you can use the WhatsApp contact link for downloading the brochure and location, other details of this builder and project. So 2 BHK, 3 BHK both options are available. In this video you are going to see the common amenities, common areas and two model apartments, one 2 BHK and one 3 BHK. Multiple options are available, totally 36 apartments. East facing, north facing, west facing and different sizes are available. Right round setback space, walking track, covered car parking. It's on the 60 feet road, very good location in Yelahanka, right on the main road, and upcoming metro station is walkable distance. Lots of shopping, grocery stores, hospitals, bus stop. It's a very central location. Children's play area, lift, security, power backup 100%. All branded fittings and fixtures, premium quality construction by a reputed developer. So first we will see one 3 BHK unit. This one is 1548 square feet with 524 square feet UDS, west facing main door. Totally 9 flats per floor. Central staircase and lift is there. So this is living room. Teakwood main door, 3-track windows. Separate dining area. And planning is as per Vastu. So next to dining, this is kitchen in the southeast corner with a utility space. The flats will be given in this condition. While doing the interiors, you can customize the slab as per your choice. Utility space, good ventilation is there. So this apartment has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2 attached and 1 common bathroom. There is also one balcony. So this is first bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. All digital vitrified flooring. This is the bathroom. Grohe and Hindware brand fittings in the bathroom. All switches and wires Havells brand. UPVC 3-track windows. All door frames teakwood. Main door solid teakwood. Laminated flush door for internal doors. So that was the balcony. First bedroom with attached bathroom you saw, and next to this is the second bedroom, and right adjacent to this there is a common bathroom with hand wash basin outside for dining. You can just WhatsApp on the number given in the description. Complete floor plan, brochure and full project details will be sent to you immediately. Few units are available out of 36. Families have started moving in. So this is the third bedroom with attached bathroom. Master bedroom actually as per Vastu in southwest corner. So all the flats are planned as per Vastu. Main door, this is west facing we just showed. If you want north facing also available, east facing also available. Next we will see 2 BHK option after this. All premium fittings. The builder has done many projects across Bangalore. Now let's see the 2 BHK. So this is the 2 BHK north facing 1100 square feet with 372 square feet UDS share. North facing main door. Foyer area, then living, dining, kitchen, this kitchen again in the southeast corner with utility in the center in the dining area. This is the utility space. Project is ready for interiors. You can immediately make the agreement and start interior work. Housing loan is available from all the banks. It is a RERA registered project. Occupancy certificate, OC, CC and individual flat A khata. So this is master bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. Wall mounted toilet, concealed flush tank. This is common bathroom. All other details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.